So, HarmBrain is basically marketed as a supplement designed to support things like memory, focus, mental clarity, and overall brain health. The claims sound promising, but there's a few things I'd look at before buying. The biggest question is whether the ingredients are actually proven to deliver those benefits. A supplement can contain vitamins, herbs, or other compounds associated with brain health, but that doesn't automatically mean the finished product will noticeably improve your memory or concentration. I'd also be careful with dramatic testimonials and claims about boosting brain performance. Individual experiences aren't the same as clinical evidence, and results can vary a lot from person to person. So, is HarmBrain worth buying? It could be worth considering if the ingredients and dosages are backed by evidence, but I wouldn't expect dramatic changes based purely on the marketing. Check the full ingredient list, company reputation, independent reviews, and return policy before spending your money. Overall, I'd treat HarmBrain as a supplement rather than a guaranteed solution for cognitive problems. The marketing may sound impressive, but what really matters is the evidence behind the actual formula. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.